A home trash shoe exercises on the couch, a ponytail without pins, and an unusual manicure? In this video, we want to show you some lazy life hacks that will save time and energy. My hair is getting in the way and doesn't let me concentrate. And somehow, all my hairpins and elastic bands seem to have disappeared somewhere. Here's an idea of a hairstyle for such a situation. Twist your hair into a knot. Make a bun. Pass the tip of the hair through the loop and tighten the hairstyle. A loose bun looks stylish and the hair no longer interferes with the learning process. It doesn't get any easier than this. And for the next life hack, you will need decorative tape. Cut a piece with a pattern. Cut out the pattern along the outline. Cut out a lot of different pictures. Fasten pieces of adhesive tape to your nails. Cover the nails with transparent nail polish. An original manicure is ready. That's a very interesting design. Are your feet frozen? We'll tell you how to warm them up with the help of 2 skeins of yarn. Spread the thread until you get a deepening. Insert your foot in the skein. Bright, lazy sneakers are ready. Look, they are very original. Are you going on a date and discovered your roots have grown out? As always, at the worst time. In this case, dark eyeshadow will help. Collect dry shadows on the brush and distribute them along the roots. That's better! Why is the trash can so far away? Too lazy to go down the stairs to throw out some scrap paper? Oh no! At this rate, we will turn our home into a kingdom of chaos. You will need wide plastic tubes. Connect them together and direct the structure to the lower floor of the house. Throw the garbage into the pipe. A couple of seconds and it is right in the trash can. Direct hit! Shopping can be a real challenge when you run out of money and free hands. A metal carabiner will help. Fasten the bag's handles to the hook. It's a convenient handle for several bags. And you can also attach your bags to your backpack with it. And your hands stay free. It's pretty inconvenient to watch videos on YouTube since your phone falls all the time. For this life hack, you need a long wood plank and a medical mask. Stretch the mask onto the plank. Set the stick at a comfortable height for your eyes. Put the phone in the mask. In a small cozy hammock, your phone will be very comfortable. The result is a hanging mini theater. Put on your favorite video and make yourself comfortable. Refilling ink pens is about as challenging as opening a safety lock bottle. However you do it, your hands will get dirty anyway. Regular margarine will help to get rid of ink stains on your hands. Rub your hands with a piece of margarine and the stain disappears right before your eyes. Wipe the rest of the ink with a napkin. That's it, fast and clean. Squats, crunches, active sports are not for me. But we have an idea. For this life hack, you need a wide elastic band. Bind it with a ring. This way, the regular elastic band can completely replace the popular fitness tape. Put the elastic on your legs and make yourself comfortable on the sofa. Now you can do exercises without getting off the couch. That's a lazy but very effective way to keep yourself in good physical shape. Where did all these dirty dishes come from? There's a whole mountain of them. Close the sink stopper. Put the dishes into the sink. Squeeze out the cleaning liquid. Open the tap to the fullest. Fill the sink with water and soak the dishes. The dried food gets soaked and very easily washes away in a warm bath. Rinse the dishes with water and perfect cleanliness is guaranteed. And for the next life hack, you will need oatmeal and milk. Pour the flakes onto a plate. Fill it with milk. Leave it in the refrigerator overnight. And in the morning, you will find a whole plate of porridge ready. You will only have to heat it in the microwave. Tasty and healthy. And now let's share a life hack for cooking. Can you say no to delicious crunchy nuggets? Only now the boiling oil strives to splash everything around it. And here comes foil to the rescue. Unwind a piece of foil. Fold it in half. Wrap the sides of the pan with it and boldly lay the nuggets out in hot oil. All splashes fly onto the foil and the stove remains clean. Just amazing! And now we'll tell you how you can fry nuggets and not stain the pan with burns. Fold a sheet of parchment paper in half and lay it on the bottom of the pan. Place the nuggets on paper. Add vegetable oil. Cover the top of the second half of the sheet. Fry the nuggets as usual. Move the cooked pieces onto a plate and throw the parchment paper away. All the burnt parts and crumbs will remain on the paper, and you don't even need to wash the pan. This is just a dream of every lazy person. And here's another way to quickly heat up the cold nuggets. You will need a silicone baking dish. Place the nuggets in cells. Microwave them for 1.5 minutes. Take out the warm, tasty bites and use the empty mold instead of a plate for your sauce. Very comfortable! The pasta is already boiling on the stove, but you suddenly can't find the strainer. No worries, because you can use a tennis racket, but after washing it, of course. Put the racket on the sink, drain the water from the pasta, and you can start dinner. Quick and easy. For the next life hack, take a silicone mold and break chocolate into pieces. Put the chocolate pieces in molds. Melt them in a microwave. Spread the chocolate on the walls. Leave until solid. Remove the chocolate baskets from the mold. Fill them with ice cream. Decorate with candies on top. A lazy dessert with the use of tableware is ready. It looks very tasty. A button came off? How unlucky! There's a solution! Wind the thread around the button. Now you need transparent nail polish. Attach the thread with polish. Button your shirt up. Done! To wash a narrow bottle from sauce is not an easy task. But we are ready to share our secret. Fill it with dishwashing detergent. Add hot water. Put a blender in the water and beat until a lather. Water with foam easily washes away food debris from the walls. Now pour out the soap solution and rinse with clean water. It's crystal clear! And now you need a marker. Take out the core using pliers. Disassemble the case and take out the filling stick. Wash the ink away under running water. Collect some iodine in a pipette. Fill the marker with it. Put the parts of the marker together. A random cut can now be easily processed with an iodized marker. And you can seal the wound with tape afterwards. In addition, this medical marker is convenient to take with you for a walk, and an ambulance is always with you. Did you like our life hacks for simplifying life? Write in the comments which of them seemed the laziest to you. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new ideas and life hacks that will make your life easier and more interesting.